Hey everyone. All right, so I have something for you here that isn't exactly review, but I think it's going to be fun and it's going to feel good for you. So I like to do math that makes you think a little. So I have over here a telephone keypad. And if you notice that there are letters on the same buttons as a number, right? So if I said, what number matches G? You would look A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, a G is a 4, right? So that way, if you're dialing someone's number, right, like call me at 1-800 Pizza Hut, right? These letters are actually numbers that you can press too. Yeah, so that's the telephone keypad, right? Now, what does it have to do with math? Well, I've used this keypad to write our math problems today in secret code. What is H plus C? Well, nobody can do H plus C unless they look at the code. What is H? Oh, and H is really supposed to be 4. And what is C? Oh, C is really supposed to be 2. So what am I really asking you to do? Hold the 4 in your head. 5. Oh, H plus C is 6, right? Or if you wanted to be kind of clever, you could say, Mr. W, H plus C is, and I can pick any of these letters on the 6 button. So I'm going to say H plus C equals M. Now imagine you going up to your big brother and saying, H plus C equals M. He would look at you like you were crazy because you were speaking in code. See? Like a spy. Next one. All right, so I started off kind of easy for you. This next one should make you sweat a little bit. See if you can figure out what AK plus GE is supposed to be. Well, let's see. A is a 2. K is a 5. So that top number, AK, is really 25 in code. GE is the number 43 in code. So in order to find this out, you just have to add up those numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. So the answer to this is 68, but I don't want to tell them in 68. I want to tell them in code. So a 6 is something like an M, N, or an O. So I'm going to say an O. And 8 is a V. Oh. The answer is OV. OV. According to my code. Right? It's kind of fun. So it's practicing addition, which should be a review skill for you, but it's doing it in a new way that's making you think. Oh boy. KJ plus AU. So the first step is to figure out what KJ and AU actually are using the code. And then you're going to add the numbers, right? KJ is 55 because both K and J are on the 5. A is a little number, 2, and a U is an 8. Notice that some of the numbers don't have any letters. So you can't use any 1s or any 0s when you're doing this code. So just know that you can't do that. When I'm adding up and down here, I get 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 is not going to fit in the 1s place, so I'll leave the 1s there. See, I brought those down. But this 10 is actually going to come over here. When I add up my 10s, don't let me forget this one. 5, 6, 7. There it is. The answer to this problem is T. I hope you enjoyed my telephone math. I'll meet you on the next slide, everybody. Thanks now.